Okay, 95 GMC Safari SLX model 4.3 VTEC. Engine has random P0300 code misfire, so it doesn't tell me which cylinder it is. Replaced the distributor already, replaced the coil already, IAC motor, EGR valve, found a broken wire right up there in the back. Can't remember what that was, throttle position sensor or something like that. Still runs like crap. I found 7 broken wires, rubbed through, cut, whatever. So I had to replace it, pull the wire through, disconnect the computer, make sure to unplug that one, feed it through. There's a plastic block connector that goes in there. That half of it's black, half of it's gray. It's got a little clip. Push it, pushes through. Actually, it goes this way, push through that way, and it's just glued. That's all it is all this stuff has glue. Put a heat gun to it lightly, it'll melt like butter. And then pull all that gunk off and start fixing your wires. Go one by one by one. So I found 7 broken ones. Fixed it. What it was doing was shifting hard from first to third gear, random, bogged down every time you give it gas. If you baby, it'd be okay. I did this. It's running way better, 90% better. So I might still have to change the spark plugs because it is old, used van, but it is what it is. On the passenger side by the doghouse, see how the harness runs through there? Right there. 2 heater hoses for the heater core run through there. They rubbed through it, destroyed my wires. Also broke my charging wire, my exciting wire for the alternator in the back, because it is a single wire alternator for GM. Check those wires if you're having issues. Passenger side of the doghouse, the block. You don't want to have to buy a harness because it's $1,200 and it's being discontinued.